I can't change the direction of the wind, but I can adjust the sail so that I always reach my destination. This is a quote by Jimmy Dean, which I came across the last day. And I felt that this is so relevant to the current times. Something happens in a fish market in one corner of the world, and the world comes to a standstill for months. We've changed how we live our lives in this pandemic. Things that we are so used to, we had to change. For instance, there is this friend of mine who's so passionate about food that he spent a lot of his hard-earned money to setting up a cafe in Bangalore. The cafe was running very well for a couple of months until the lockdown hit us. With the lockdown, he had to shut down his business. He was very upset. He called me one day and said how life was unjust with him. As we talked, he remembered a passion that he had in his childhood, a passion for painting. We explored a bit into that area, and he got so excited that he found this as a new opportunity for him to rediscover his passion. He spent the time that he had to stay at home very productively painting and enjoying those days. The last day he called me and invited me to his cafe, which is going to be reopened very soon. He decorated his cafe with a lot of artwork he had done during the lockdown. He, just like all of us, did not have control on the pandemic or what is going to happen to us. What makes him different is how he reacted to that situation. All of us are faced with situations which most probably will have some hidden opportunities in it. What are the opportunities that you have in your situation now? Are you missing out on some of the opportunities? Do you want to make the best use of the current situation? If yes, connect with me. Let's explore your situation and see how we can make you the best version of yourself. Visit vmaravind.com for more details.